Today I am reviewing this Farmhouse ceiling lamp. I really like it. I'm gonna do a little drywall repair up there. A couple downsides is you see all these screws in here. I did have to assemble this whole thing. It does not come assembled, but it's not hard at all. It just, you put these screws right here and then connect the upper ring and the outer ring. I really like this design with the 3 bulbs. It takes standard E26 bulbs. I put some Edison bulbs in there. It gives it a nice look, casts a nice light. This is in my son's room. You can see the patterns up there. Kind of cool. Looks cool. My son calls it his spaceship light because he says it looks like a spaceship. And he likes me to fly all his trucks and his airplanes around it and everything. Casts a really cool look. Overall, high quality. You can see has this like faux wood look on this side, and then this painted like silverish with a little bit of a gold, but more silver on the outside. And I hope this video helps with your buying decision.